Hi everyone, and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Well, straight away you can see danger on this box. This is the next in the Deadly and Dangerous series. This is actually number 19. Turns out there's a lot of dangerous creatures in our world, and we are going to unbox another one for you today. This is the 1 ounce silver proof in color blue bottle, and we're going to take a look at the certificate to start. Yes, it's a 2024 coin, and it is Australia's blue bottle. So of course, it's great to have an Australian unboxing this product for you. Now, I did mention it was 1 ounce. That is 4.9 silver. Very, very nice. This coin has a mintage of 2,500 pieces, and of course there you can see it's in color. Now, just like the other coins in this series, the color is phenomenal. I don't know how they do it, but they do it well every single time. The silver is pressed for Tuvalu, and it has a face value of $1. You can see Queen Elizabeth II there. And I really like the contrast here between the color and the places on the coin that are not colored. Really, really nice mirror finish there, and of course out of the capsule, really you just get a better look at this coin, and the quality literally shines through this piece. Very, very nice. Once again, the color there, phenomenal, just phenomenal. So many different shades going into this, and then of course there you can see the font Australia's blue bottle. You do not want to come across one of these things in its natural habitat. Very dangerous, hence the name of the series. And yes, getting stung by one of these can be very painful and in some cases life-threatening. So you want to stay away from them if you see them in their natural habitat. This coin actually comes in silver as well, which is very, very cool. So we'll just take it out of the box there for you. Excellent. Now the gold's a bit more special. This is only the 5th issue in the gold of this series, so it's very nice to be taking a look. And in the case of the gold, it has a very limited mintage of 150 pieces. Very special indeed. Now you can see that the box is slightly different here. We do carry through the same design as the silver box onto the gold certificate, except the colors here are a little bit different, and that will follow through onto the coin itself. So you can see here our numbered certificate with all of the details there. The gold is struck for the country of Niue, and of course we'll see that again once we look at the coin itself. This is a proof coin. Very, very nice, as we're about to see. And yes, the colors on the certificate will give you a little bit of a clue to the colors that are on this gold piece. Love the effect with the gold and the color. Just looks like sunset, really getting those vibes there. And of course, once again, the color is absolutely phenomenal. Now, as you can see here, because we are struck on the country of Niue, we have King Charles there, the 3rd, of course. 1 ounce gold, 4.9 gold. Very, very nice. And just like the silver, we'll take it out of the capsule to get an even better look at this piece. The gold does come with that extra ring due to the thinness of this coin. Just a nice close-up image there for you. Love the detail as well on the side with that reef there. And just like the silver, maybe even a little bit more, that shine does come through on this piece. Just the detail in this is fantastic. And again, you have the words Australia's blue bottle there. My goodness. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Honestly, I think with each addition to this series, they're just getting better and better with the amount of detail and the craftsmanship that has gone into it. Really, really nice. Let's see these two coins side by side. As you can see, the silver is slightly larger than the gold, but of course the detail is still that high quality, which is really, really nice to see. Now, obviously, these coins are available on our website. That is www.emk.com. Feel free to check it out. And of course, there you will also be able to see some other coins that are in this fantastic series. Just to repeat, this is number 19 for the silver and number 5 for the gold.